Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new and you're just joining me now, then hi, welcome back to another cleaning video. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen because, as you can see, it is literally looks like a bomb has gone off in there. There's stuff everywhere, there's stuff all over the counters, the washing basket is overflowing, there's stuff all over the floor. It's just generally a tip. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is putting on a wash, and the favourite things that I love to use is the Lenore Spring Awakening fabric softener and the Fairy Non Bio detergent gel, whatever it's called, I'm not entirely sure. And I also like to use the Astonish stain remover in every wash because I really do think it makes a good difference. So then I'm just going to take my microfiber cloth and I'm just going to dust down all the counters and worktops, get rid of all the dust and crumbs and things, and then I'm just going to spray my Sulflora on and wipe down the sides. In my Sulflora bottle today, I think I've got the cinnamon one, still from Christmas time, but I absolutely love this, it smells amazing. Has anyone else still got loads of quality streets and chocolates left from Christmas? Because we've got loads. So now I'm just taking my Sif cream and I'm just putting that all over the hob and the splash back. I'm just going to leave that on there for a good 5-10 minutes so that it soaks and goes dry, and then I'm just going to wipe it away with the other side of my minky cloth. After I've wiped away the Sif with my minky cloth, the other side of the minky cloth, I just use my little green cloth here. It's absolutely amazing for mirrored surfaces. It makes them so shiny and streak free, and it's fab. So I'm just going to clean up the worktop, put everything away so that I can spray down the work surfaces and clean them. And then I like to take my little dustpan and brush and just sweep away all the crumbs and things off the side. Again, just spraying the side with the Sulflora and giving it a good wipe, especially the sides where Harrison sits because he puts his manky fingers on there when he eats his dinner. And then I'm just going to take all the washing out of the washing machine now it's done and just pop it into the dryer. So then I'm just going to put the rest of the clothes onto the clothes horse, is that what they're called? Drying clothes rack. I love my dryer though, it's one of the best pictures I've got for my kitchen because, you know, it helps with drying the clothes. So I'm just going to tidy up the floor, take everything out of the kitchen. I'm just going to quickly hoover this side of the kitchen. And then I'm just going to give Harrison's high chair a quick wipe down because I still think it's got Weetabix on there from breakfast. And now I'm just sorting out all our letters, our posts, because it seems that we literally just pile it up on the side in the kitchen when we get mail and it never gets moved. So I'm just going to throw away things that we don't need and then just neaten it up and sort it out and put away things that we do need to keep. I'm just going to give the placemats a quick wipe down, and then I'm also going to wipe down the chopping board as well. Now I'm just going to fill up the sink and clean all the dishes that have been left from last night and breakfast. I don't know about anyone else, but especially on the weekend I just cannot be bothered to wash all the dishes before I go to bed, and that's why they get left, and the next day they're just a massive pile. I'm trying to persuade James to get us a dishwasher, but it's not working so far. It's definitely one of the jobs that I don't like to do, is wash up.
I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
Now I'm just going to quickly hoover the rest of the kitchen and get up all the crumbs and stuff that Harrison likes to drop all over the floor. Is anyone else's house that has a toddler just get covered in food? And now I'm just going to take my mop, which is filled with diluted Zoflora, and just quickly mop the whole of the kitchen floor. And now I'm just going to put away all the dishes that I've just washed. I'm going to dry those and put those away.
I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because
But that's it, guys. Quick power hour, all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. If you want more speed cleaning videos, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!